Hi everybody. Let's turn this sparkly Inlace Acrylester pen blank into a pen. Hopefully we don't cover the shop with glitter. We trimmed the blanks just longer than the brass tubes and drilled through holes. After gluing in the brass tubes, let's put it on the mandrel and begin turning. We're using the same tools as in the pen turning kit that we offer. Turning these blanks to be round is pretty quick with the simple start rougher with a negative rake carbide cutter. This is a short tool at only 4 inches, and the 8-inch handle is easy to hold and control. Switching over to the acrylic resin Simple Start Turner and Hollower, or ARSSTH, allows for a different approach. Rotating this tool and presenting the cutter at an angle can be really helpful and produce really nice cuts. Some of these pen blanks are made from materials that can be difficult to turn, but this approach can really cut through them quickly. The Simple Scraper 1 with negative rake oval cutter can be used to turn this entire pen if you desired. You can come in and curve the edges right down to the bushings. Running it flat across the side, you can smooth out any tool marks and create a long straight line. The ARSSTH tool can also be used to shape the edges and define the middle curve a little more. This tool can be rotated in either direction, and the amount you rotate it will allow you to adjust your aggressiveness. Last, we'll make some final passes with the Simple Scraper 1 with negative rake oval cutter again to make any last defining cuts, smooth out the lines, and remove any leftover tool marks. A quick wet sand of these blanks with micro mesh pads. It leaves such a nice finish. Then we can assemble and we have completed our pen. A free slimline pen kit and random pen blank are included with the purchase of this pen turning tool set that we used here today. Get yours at the link below and turn your own pen. As always, thanks for watching.